Siddhanta Saraswati Vijayate Gauriya Goshtipati Bande Guru Pada Dandam Bhakta Binda Samanitam Sri Chaitanya Prabhum Bande Nityananda Sahoditam Sri Nandanandanang Bande Radhika Charanodayam Gopijano Samayuktam Bindavanam Manoharam Vancha Kalpataruvasya Kipasindhu Bhavach Patitanang Pavane Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah Mukhaṁ Karoti Vācālaṁ Pangum Laṁ Haitigirim Yat Kipatamahang Vande Paramananda Madhavam Vrindavai Tulsidev Vai Piya Vai Kesavasya Krishna Bhakti Pade Devi Sattvatvai Namo Namaha Narayana Namaskritta Narun Chaiva Narottamam Deving Saraswati Vyasam Tato Jayo Mudira Sankirtane Krishna Kathopadesha Gauriya Patrasya Prakasane Cha Sadhanurakta Guru Bhakti Yukto Bhakti Pramodaksha Jagod Varun Deyam Sada Paribhavagnam Abhishtadoham Tethas Padam Siva Virinchanutam Saranyam Vitatiham Panotopal Bhavadipotam Bande Mahapurusate Charuna Ravindam Yat Pada Pallavan Kachandamani Chataya Vispurjita Kimapi Gavavadu Swadars Purnanuragara Sasagara Saramurti Saradhika Mai Kada Kipam Karos Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Binda Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Binda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Ajanulambita bhujau kanuka bodhato Sanketane kapitaro kamala yataksho Vishambharu Dijavaru Jugadharma Palo Bande Jagat Priyakaro Karuna Bhataro Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Namami Gange Tava Padu Pankajam Surasuroirvandito Dibbarupam Bhuktin cha dada sinitam Bhavanurupena sada naranam Ganga taranga ramaniya jata kalapam Gauri antara vibhushi tabam bhagam Narayano Priyamanangumadapharam Varanasi Purapati Bhajavi Shanatham Vagisha Vadane Lakshmi Rijassacha Bhaksasi Yasyaste Hidaya Sambhid Tvam Nishingamaham Bhaji Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Aradhito jodi hari tapasas tatoskim, naradhito jodi tapasas tatoskim. Antar bahir jodi tapasas tatoskim, na antar bahir jodi hari tapasas tatoskim. Gauriya Goswami, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that to get rid of history and allegory is called Hari Bhajan. Hari Bhajan is most practical thing. Gauriya Goswami, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that to get rid of history and allegory is called actual Hari Bhajan. History, what is flowing, our life, what is flowing, incident, that we can say history. Allegory means you are mentally always thinking something which is like aerial flower, which can never come true, or maybe come true, then you can fall down into hell. No utility. Material people, those who are materialistic people, they are saying, Maharaj, be practical. It is philosophy. I say you are idiot number one. It is not philosophy. Hari Bhajan, Hari is most practical thing. You are not practical. You are running towards marriage. You are running towards marriage. Where you are running? Where you are running? Like in a desert you can find some, you can find in a desert, you can find some jiva like deer or something. Very thirsty, running to get some water, to save life. And that jiva watching, water is there, long. Watching what is there, a little bit. If I go, I can get water. But the more he is approaching that jiva, the more the water source, water pond, going back. This way, by running and running and running, finally that deer or any jiva seeking water, finally die. Because that is not actually water. That is like water. It is called Teja Tattva. Sand, due to sunlight, sand become very hot, and the adjacent air layer become very hot, going up, and the cold water coming down. This way one kind of vibration, looking from distance, there is water. But that is not actually water. That is called marriage. This way, all Bhadra Jivas, almost all, because percentage cannot come. All over the world, if you make some comb operation, even no percentage can come, so less percent. Those who are really interested to reach the eternal world, to live in practical life, they are very rare already, very rare. This way, Bhagavan speaking, he is actually intelligent. Actually, he is intelligent. In true sense, he is intelligent. Who, while living in this body, can think what will be there after my death, where I can be taken, everything. And who can try to get Amrita, nectar, which can help you to get eternal life. Echoes of Eternity, our website going on. This is very rare. Very rare. Nobody like to do. Bhagavan speaking, Esha buddhimatam buddhi, manisha cha manishinam, Jat satyam anrite neho martena apnati amritam. Who after getting this life, which is only for 2 days, always thinking how to get that nectar, which can give me eternal life, not wasting time. He is actually intelligent. According to material estimation, I mean the estimation of these material people, they think if you can earn money, big amount of money, if you can get control over the whole world, you are successful, like Ravan. But it is not the success. It is one kind of marriage. When it is sure, when it is 100% sure that I will have to leave everything. Try to get this point. When it is 100% sure that I will have to leave everything and go away, then those who are real and intelligent, he can think, well, if I need to leave, I will have to leave, willingly or unwillingly. You will have to leave everything. The objects of enjoyment, whatever relationship you build up in material life, whatever building, whatever property, land and property, liquid money, whatever. Anyway, you will have to leave. No other way. Then those who are really intelligent, they can say, well, if I need to live, I can live with honor. I can leave everything. I can leave everything. That. With full honor, I can leave everything. Because anyway, I have to live. The sloka I started with, there it is speaking. If somehow Bhagavan is satisfied with me, whatever activities, I am a very small creature, whatever I am doing, if Bhagavan is at all satisfied with me, then okay. I can try to satisfy him. There should not be any duplicity inside me. I can try my best. Aradhito jadi hari tapasa sat. Then what I can do by opening one exhibition of tapasa? You see, my matted hair is there. I am rubbing all ashes from the crematorium ground. How big sadhu I am. What you do? If Bhagavan is satisfied, then I need not open one exhibition, like somebody wanted to make some competition with Srila Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj. Gaur Kishore Babaji Maharaj was really Niskinchan. Really Niskinchan. He used to wash rice, not cooked, in the Ganga water, and with salt and one chili, Mahaprasadam, both. Sometime brinjal, somebody throw, because there is some insect there, then those who are doing business, they can throw. On those time, he used to collect and bring the brinjal and cut into pieces. After cutting into pieces, going to wash into Ganga water with tulsi, offering to Bhagavan, not cooking. Taking, so nice. They are not playing any drama. They are Paramahansa. One idiot, he wanted to make some competition with Baba. He started, Gaur Kishore Babaji Maharaj used to drink water, not in glass. One coconut, shell, half. We also used to do in Vrindavan. Coconut shell, half, used to water, drink. This way, Vairag. Genuine Vairag. But some idiot started competition with Baba. He is saying, he is drinking water in the coconut shell, but I am drinking water in the skull. So my Vairagya is more than him. I wanted to prove. I am drinking water in the skull. Finally, there was a dangerous situation with that man. So we don't like to make any competition. We don't like to show that we have met it here. We don't like to show that I have no clothes, I have clothes. Bhagavan giving me. This way, if I like to show, if I like to open exhibition, that I am to, see, I can speak Harikatha. Who is there? He is called beast. Nobody can speak Harikatha. Nobody can write Harikirtan. It is by the mercy of Bhagavan, Guru Vaishnava, it appears like a flood. Automatically it is. So this way, all competition going on all over the world. Dirty competition. He like to make him fall down. He like to make some problem so that he cannot pray. This. Guru Vaishnava don't care. Okay, go. I can stop. I can go away. You stay nicely. I can go away. No problem. This way, Aradhito Jodi Haris Tapasas Tataskim. If Bhagavan is automatically satisfied with me, what I can do by opening one exhibition of tapasa? Naradhito Jodi Hari Tapasasat. If Hari is not at all satisfied with me, even after doing austerity penances, what I can do by opening exhibition? Anyway, Bhagavan is not satisfied with me, because I have duplicity inside me. If there is Hari inside and outside all the time, I can see Jagannath clearly. Oh. If outside and inside, always Jagannath is, darshan is there all the time, then what I can do by opening exhibition? I am a great sadhu. Srila Gaurkishore Das Babaji Maharaj used to say, don't try to prove that you are a great sadhu. Don't try to prove. I know what a kind of sadhu you are. I know you. Don't try to show you are a big sadhu. That is the condition at present. If Bhagavan is not there, inside or outside, even after doing austerity penances, going through books and papers and doing kirtan, then what I can do by opening? I am doing kirtan, you say, nice. Bhagavan is not. Bhagavan watching my heart. He is not satisfied. Until unless there is Tinadubi Sunich Baba, no father can come out successful. Whatever drama he can play, all over the world he can try to preach one kind of drama, only collection money. He can see one man, he is successful to deliver one man. Or even not one man, he himself. He himself successful to deliver himself. Can so? This kind of preaching can help all the consciousness level drop. Because they themselves don't realize. Bhaktivinoda was speaking, without realizing from heart the teachings of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, those who are going to preach, they can make mismanagement. Whole system can drop down. First of all, you will have to get established in the acharan of Gauranga Mahaprabhu's own achara adarsha. Then you can speak one or two words, not more than that. I have seen in my life such cases. After fighting with wife, after fighting with son, one old man, gone. I cannot stay with you, gone. Son beating father, what beating. Finally, almost every day, altercation or fighting taking. Finally, so, I cannot leave, I can go to Vrindavan and stay with sadhu. Okay, go. What kind of power you have? Let me see. He gone. Coming in a temple, Maharaj ji, I like to stay. What happens to you? Oh, actually, big problem in the family life. I don't like to leave. Okay, if you like to leave, stay here, do Hari Bhajan, stay here, Harikatha Kirtan. Okay, nice. Maharaj allow. Doing some cleaning, some plain seva. For that, as such, Diksha is not so. They can clean. Of course, after Diksha, the cleaning seva will be very perfect. Any seva. Not that cleaning seva can be done, can do, that's not a big problem because it has no direct contact with boga or anything direct, flower or anything. After 3 weeks or 4 weeks, Bale Maharaj, I like to go to home. What happens? You wanted to stay here? You told that your son beating you. Well, it is my son, na? Beating, okay. Still I can go. Okay, you go. That is called our Vairagya. That is our detachment. That is our detachment. We are opening exhibition. This kind of detachment, exhibition, can never help you. Dharma. When automatically from heart, detachment can come from heart, you can find whole world bitter, bitter, bitter. Even good food, even good living style, anything, bitter, bitter, I don't like. Detested. When? When that aprakita tattva siddhanta can touch your heart. When you can realize from heart that this life is unstable, any time, any moment, it never depends upon any age factor, can go away. Then you cannot waste your time. You can remember Sriman Mahaprabhu told to Suklambar Brahmachari, he wanted to watch the dancing, Sankirtan Ras of Mahaprabhu. He is doing, Mahaprabhu doing exclusively, no outside people is allowed, and that Suklambar Brahmachari somehow took entry into the room, and he was sitting under a bedstead, very hiding himself. Mahaprabhu doing kirtan, Mahaprabhu speaking, today I am not feeling satisfaction, what happens? No problem. You watch, there must be some problem. No problem. You watch. Finally checking, watching Suklambar Brahmachari hiding under bed. He is very nice man. But Mahaprabhu, for our teachings, to teach us, speaking, what do you think? What you think? That you are having renunciation, vairagya. You can see me? What you think? You have vairagya, so you can see me? What do you think? Then he was thrown out of room. After that, Mahaprabhu showing kripa to him. Don't think. Mahaprabhu told, you are doing tapasya, so you think you are pure, so you can see me. That is your idea. But remember, those demons also going for austerity and finances. What result they are getting? Hiranyakasipu, what kind of austerity finances done by Hiranyakasipu? No father can do in his. In creation, in the whole creation, it is impossible to do. No bhuto, no bhavishyati. What kind of austerity and finances done by Hiranyakasipu? Even it is beyond your imagination. In the whole creation, nobody never done. So what was the ultimate result? He was doing to satisfy Bhagavan? No. He was doing to get power. That is what. That over. What was the result of Ravan? He done tapasya, calling Brahma, sometimes Shankar, they are doing stupid finances. But what is the ultimate result? What is the ultimate, what they can get? This is final result. The mother-in-law of Srivas Pandit, she wanted to, mother-in-law of Srivas Pandit, she wanted to watch the Sankirtan Rasa Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu, same thing. I am not getting enjoyment today. What happens? You check up? No, 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 everything okay. Finally it was discovered that under bedstead there is mother-in-law of Srivas Pandit. Finally she was taken outside and thrown outside. So not a matter of joke. To satisfy Bhagavan is not a matter of joke, but is very easy. At the same time I am speaking, not a matter of joke, but so easy that even in your whole life, whatever you have done in your life is so difficult, very difficult. But to satisfy Bhagavan is very easy. How? Only you have to make your heart plain hearted, no duplicity. And loyal, you must show loyalty in true sense unto lotus feet of a pure Guru Vaishnava. That is the only way. Immediately Bhagavan can become happy, but that much thing we cannot do. We can do so many things. We can so many things. I have done this, I have done this, that, degree, this, that, so many things. But this simple thing, we cannot do. You can remember the old lady, tribal lady. She was full of love. She wanted to watch Jagannath in the Jagannath temple. But she is short height. She cannot watch Jagannath. Finally what happened? She was searching for one support so that she can go up and watch. She is very short figure. Finally Sriman Mahaprabhu touching the Gorura Stamba and watching Jagannath full of tears. That the lady thought it is more practical to stand on the soldier of that tall man. He thought he is a tall man. She has no idea that is Bhagavan. So finally what she took? She is climbing and putting leg here, one hand he is gripping, the Guru Stamba and sending on, watching. And immediately after watching, Swarup Goswami became angry. Hey! What you are doing? Get up! Get down! After that, Mahaprabhu speaking to that lady, appealing to Swarup Goswami. Swarup, let her watch. Let her watch Jagannath. What kind of tremendous desire inside her heart, loveful desire to watch Jagannath. This kind of desire I like to develop inside my heart. Let her watch Jagannath. So the same Mahaprabhu speaking this. Whereas one Mataji is singing Jayadev Git Govindo Kirtan. And Mahaprabhu running like wind to embrace. Mahaprabhu now absorbingly in the thoughts of Krishna Bhavana. He is running to embrace after hearing. And Govinda running. Govinda singing, Prabhu, Prabhu, Prabhu! She is woman singing. Immediately Mahaprabhu stand. Oh my God! I lost my, patience. I was running. I thought, but you now today save me. Same Mahaprabhu. I was going to lose my sannyas. Oh, you saved me. This way you must be careful all the time to protect me. Same Mahaprabhu. Same Mahaprabhu giving punishment to Choto Haridas, small Haridas. Are same Mahaprabhu going to approve the activities of Raya Ramananda, who is giving training to young girls for the drama to be played in front of Jagannath. So what is the inner meaning? It all depends upon what is the mood inside your heart. Everything depends upon the mood there inside. According to that, you can get. Nothing else. You can remember I was discussing that all Gopikas Bhagavan speaking to Uddhav. Uddhav, you see, when actually Akrurji Maharaj came to take me and my brother, Ballabji Maharaj, Ballabh and Krishna. That time what happens? By hearing the message, all Gopikas, they go into faint condition. Faint. They cannot live. When Akrur Maharaj taking Krishna Balaram in the chariot, they are going to jump in front of the chariot. They are asking, if you at all like to take our heart, Krishna, then okay, you go over our body. We cannot allow Krishna to go. There is a condition. And the Brahmarati duration of Rasa Leela was Brahmarati. Duration like Brahmarati. Brahmarati, if you calculate, you can go mad. You cannot imagine how possible to make this way. But Gopikagon, they are thinking like fraction of second. Rasa Leela gone fraction of second, whereas the duration of Rasa Leela was throughout Brahmarati. This is the condition. Whenever they are staying with me, they are thinking their time gone like mind, or more than mind. What mind? Velocity of mind cannot be compared. Light velocity cannot be compared. Mind velocity cannot be compared. More than that. There is a condition. When they are staying with Krishna, Krishna speaking, when they are playing with me, they think time gone almost within no interval, time gone. But when I am not there, when they are feeling separation, they are thinking fraction of second like yuga. Fraction of second like yuga. We with material brain cannot realize this point. The day we can get this kind of love affair, then we can understand. Like Madhavendra Puripad cannot live. Even after watching a piece of cloud, black cloud, fall down. Because that black cloud going to give reminder, by watching, he remember Krishna. But actually not Krishna. By watching one piece of cloud, black cloud. Beyond human comprehension. Beyond. So long as you are getting the taste of this material world, oh, nice taste. Till then, there is no scope. If you are, so long as you are going to get the taste of life, oh, nice living, nice eating, nice sleeping. Till then, no scope. I cannot cheat you. Somebody can cheat you. Oh, no problem. No, I cannot cheat. At least you can understand the gravity of Haribhajan. So, Bhagavan already told, yesterday I already finished, wanted to say, the main point I like to discuss today is that I can recite first and then I can tastak shapaha preshta tamena nita mayaibo vrindavana gocharena tastak shapaha preshta tamena nita mayaiva vrindavana gocharena khanardavattah punarangatasam hina maya kalpasama babhu tana avidan Mai Anusango Baddha Dhiyaha Swa Bhajan Swam Atmanam Adastathedam Yatha Samadho Manayo Oddhitoye Naddo Pravishto Evo Nama Rupe. Bhagavan speaking, just like all the rivers coming out from different sources, but finally all rivers, their final target is to jump into ocean. When the all individual river going to jump into ocean, husband with their husband, they are going to, then finally they are not going to maintain their old identity, Nam, Roop, source, all they forget. Bhagavan Sri Krishna is giving one example. Those gopikas, they forget everything. They cannot remember even their own body. They cannot remember even their own body. Who we are. They cannot remember. They forget everything. They are totally submerged with Krishna's heart. If we are successful to harmonize our heart with Guru Vaishnava, finally with Krishna, same, then it's okay. Otherwise, big problem. So, like all rivers going to forget their own identity, Bhagavan giving one example, those Mani Rishis, they are meditating in Bhagavan in such a way, impersonal Brahma. And finally, they forget everything. Forget everything. They cannot remember their body. But here, main point is that all these Rishi Munis, they also forget their identity. They also cannot remember what Sanatana Goswami told in Brihad Bhagavatamrita. Krishna Bhakti Sudha Panad Deho Daihi Kavisrute Tesam Panchabodhik Deho Pi Sachidananda Rupa. Sanatana Goswami writing in Brihad Bhagavatamrita. After drinking and drinking all the nectar of Harikatha, drinking nectar in Harikatha, Krishna Bhakti Sudha Panat, they forget their body and body-related thing. People are foolish. They are going to pay attention to those unstable objects. It is very dangerous. I pray unto Lotus Feet of Bhagavan, please never, please save me, so that I never develop any attachment to any money, position, kamini, kanchan, please. Because if slight attachment there, then this can be the cause of my next birth. Follow. You will have to take birth again. You cannot come out successful. Again you will have to take bath and get the taste of that chutney, sauce. After that you will be satisfied, then again. The sauce, all around sauce. Sauce, chutney. Everybody like to get material sauce. So they can be given chance by Mahadevi, no problem. Take. Sauce is available everywhere. This way, Bhagavan speaking, like all those Rishi Munis, when they meditate in such a way, even they forget their own name and fame, everything. They cannot remember. Krishna Bhakti Sudha Panat Deho Dahi Kavisrite Tesam Panchabhotik Dehopi Sachidananda Rupada. Sanatana Goswami writing, Krishna Bhakti Rasa, in course of drinking and drinking, finally you can forget your body and body-related thing. And your body, you think, people can think your body is material. No. Automatically, aprakita body develop inside your heart. Krishna Bhakti Sudha Panat Deho Dvaihi Vistrite Tesam Panchabhotik Dehopi Satchidanurva. They are Satchid Anandamaya. By Sarup, all jivas Satchid Anandamaya. By Sarup. And now, by doing Kirtan, Harikatha, Harikirtan, automatically this body is no more material body. So, now the difference between Gopikas and Rishimunis. Gopikas, they are getting the direct Sevananda. Gopikas, they are getting Sevananda. Those Gopikas, they were not allowed to go outside. They could not get any chance to come, to participate. It is written, Juhur Gunamayam Deham. They left their body and with fine body they gone to participate in the Rasa Leela of Krishna. Juhur Gunamayam Deham. After living. But anyway, whatever gopi is, tribal gopi or Pulindo, Hoon, very low caste, very ugly looking. That's not a big. Bhagavan always watching your inner beauty. Bhagavan always looking your inner beauty, not outside beauty. Hanumanji Maharaj speaking, what beauty we have? Physical appearance. We are Hanuman, monkey. What birth we have? Huh? What? Nothing there. But still, Lakshmana Grajo, the elder brother of Lakshmanji Maharaj, was so much merciful to us. He accepted us. Quite natural. This kind of heart will have to develop. Otherwise, big problem. So, external Mahaprabhu accepted Haridas as Nam Acharya. Topmost honor was given. Whereas Haridas Thakur externally, Haridas Thakur externally took birth in Muslim. Caste and creeds and country, not so important. Important is your heart. There should not be any duplicity. Then Bhagavan can. So, surely we cannot compare the case of Muni Rishis with the case of Gopikas. Because those Gopikas, they are going to get direct Sevananda. Seva Ananda. Whereas Rishi Munis, they are not getting Sevananda. They are getting some enjoyment, okay, that's not bad. But anyway, they are not getting Sevananda. Gopikas, they are getting direct Sevananda. So Bhagavan, though giving this example, Yatha Samadho Manayo Uddhitaye Naddo Pravishta Eva Nama Rupe, follow? Samadho. Yatha Samadho Munayo Uddhitaye Naddaha Pravishta Eva Nama Rupe. Just like rivers, when they forget all their Nam, Rup, everything. But surely we cannot compare the case of Rishi Munis with Gopikas. Though a common factor we find here, one common factor we find, they also forget their existence, Nam, Rup, everything, and they also. But the result is not same. Externally we can find some similarity, but result is not same. Gopikas getting Sevananda, and they are not getting Sevananda. So Bhagavan purposely giving this example. So, now Bhagavan speaking, I already told, now I wanted to speak you very secret thing that I am thinking, that I am speaking to you. So, it is my suggestion to you. Uddhav, tasmat tvam uddhavo utsrijyo chodanam pratichodanam pravrittincha nivrittincha srutavyam srutamevacha mam ekameva saranam atmanam sarvadehinam yahi Sarmatma bhavena maya sa hi akuto bhayaha. That's why Uddhav, I like to suggest you what is written in Shastra here, there, Chodanam, Pratichodanam, you have to do this, that, Prabhittincha, Nibrittincha, it is your natural instinct, or Nibritti, you like to cut, or everything. Hey Uddhav, Suti, Sriti, everywhere in Shastra, I am giving instructions some or other way. Hey, you have to do it. You have to do it. It is good. You must do it. But finally, Bhagavan speaking, hey Uddhav, what is written in Sruti, what is Sriti, what is your natural nibritti, pravritti, what you like or dislike, srotabhyo, what to hear, or whatever you already heard, you sarvata bhave sarvadehinam, you try to ignore and try to reach in such a position where you can take shelter 100%. Don't depend on anything. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam bhajo. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam bhajo. Aham tvam sarva papebhyo makshai shami masucha. To Arjun, Bhagavan speaking so many things. If you go from first chapter of Gita, you can find Vishad joke. Vishad joke is feeling pain. Yoga of dejection, na? After that you can get dhire dhire how to karma yoga, gyan yoga, dhyan yoga, all everything. And finally in 18th chapter, Rajguho yoga, everything. And finally, in their last chapter, what speaking? 18th chapter, after all that. They are speaking, okay, I told you this and that, but finally I say, Sarva, what all I advise I gave you, you ignore, and only you come to me, say, take shelter. Then somebody can say, what is the utility? Why you took trouble to speak so many things? Bhagavan speaking, keeping you in front, I wanted to keep all knowledge together so that according to the grade, according to taste and position, somebody can accept. Maybe somebody not eligible for Bhakti Yoga right now, he can accept it. So everything I put with you according to time and circumstances. Some Jivatma can accept this, some Jivatma can accept that. So I am going to, same thing here also. So tasmad tvam uddhavo utsrijyo chodanam pratichodanam pravrittincha nivrittincha srotavyam srutameva cha mam ekameva saranam atmanam sarvadehinam yahi sarvatma bhavena maya sha hi akuto bhayaha. So Uddhav, whatever Suti, Sriti, Pravritti, Nivritti, Satabhya, or whatever you heard, everything you ignore. And you try to take shelter unto my lotus feet without any condition. Sarvata bhavi. Because I am the Paramatma. In the form of Paramatma, I am maintaining the whole world, creation, in the form of Paramatma. So, any kind of fear inside you existing, I know you love me. So if somebody loves Bhagavan, there cannot be any fear. But what kind of fear Bhagavan mean to say inside Uddhav? We have contradiction. Because we know fear cannot be there if somebody loves Bhagavan. What kind of fear Bhagavan wanted to mean? That we like to clarify. Because fear cannot be there, na? Because Uddhav is loving Bhagavan. What kind of fear? That fear, you should not be in confusion. That fear is not like all bonded soul like us. That is one kind of divine fear. What divine fear? You told me to do this. After that you told me do this. After that you told me do this. And finally you say, you did not do, you leave everything. I am in confusion. If I am going to reject Ved, it is one kind of drama, aprakita drama. If Uddhav not going to play this kind of drama, we cannot get the question answered. Uddhav is bound to stand on this platform. It is the arrangement of Bhagavan. So that he can put some question and Bhagavan can give answer. That is the reason. Otherwise we cannot expect any fear to come inside our heart. The fear is that it's not like ordinary man. Uddhav is very Bhagavad Parsad, eternal Parsad of Bhagavan. But still is speaking, Prabhu, now I fear. By rejecting Veda, Vedanta, everything, you say you leave everything. If I leave everything, then some problem can be there. Some offense can be there in my life. Hello. Because you say, leave everything. How I can leave? In Shastra reading, we must do. Then, Bhagavan going to give answer. Bhagavan speaking, Yahi sarvatma bhavena maya sha hi akuto bhaya. You can take shelter unto my lotus feet 100%. Even without knowing the tattva, I told yesterday, even without realizing the tattva of Bhagavan, I love Bhagavan. Why I love, I don't know. Why I love, I don't know. Like Sridhar Pandit, Kolavacha Sridhar, who used to sell in the market the inner portion of banana tree, everything, and a leaf. He could not realize that he is Supreme Lord. Bhagavan is joking with him. Hey, what is the price for this? No, I cannot give this price, I can give half. Half I cannot give. Then with the flower of banana, Bhagavan pulling and says, no, I cannot give. Bhagavan pulling. No, I cannot give in this price. You have to give this price. This way, Bhagavan playing. No, you will have to. Oh, you can go to some other market, here and there. No, my supplier, I keep fixed. I cannot change my supplier. I cannot change my supplier. You will have to give. I cannot afford, because this costs this. You have to give half price. This way, whole life. Then after that, Mahaprabhu used to joke, Sivas, what you are doing with price, money? You are going to worship Ganga. Why not you worship me? You, oh my God, Ganga is there. You are going to joke with Ganga? You don't fear that you can fall down? Even you don't fear, you are playing with Ganga? Well, Ganga, I love Ganga. You are Brahman boy. You should have faith in Ganga. Why you are worshipping Ganga? Your Ganga worshipping me. Why not you worship? My God, I don't like to hear. But you don't know Mahaprabhu speaking the truth. Really so. Ganga, Jamuna, all going to worship Bhagavan. But Sridhar Pandit, Sridhar, thinking Mahaprabhu is a Brahman boy. So much audacity. So much audacity you have. You are Brahman boy. Don't care. This way. Actually, Mahaprabhu is speaking the truth. So this way, knowingly or unknowingly, I told already, if you give hand into fire, I can burn you. Similarly, Bhagavan speaking, knowingly or unknowingly, somehow, if you develop tremendous love, without me cannot live. That is very good. But this rare, very rare. So, Bhagavan speaking, whatever I told, do this, do this, do this, do this, do this, and now I say, leave everything. Oh my, how I live? If I leave Vedanta, everything, I can get some offense, no? That's why Bhagavan speaking, Uddhav now speaking, well, Now after speaking so many advice to me, now finally you are speaking, you leave everything. Now Uddhav ji developing some doubts. Sangsayuho srinnato vacham tavo yogeswareshwaraha no nivartata atmastho jeno brahmati me manha. Now after your final advice, my mind is, not getting any stability. I am in oscillating condition. What you told before, in the middle, last, now finally, what to do? Sangsayoho, I express doubt. What to do in this situation? Because we know Sangsayatma vinashati. If there is doubt in your life, remember, before leaving your body, if you have some doubt unsolved, suppose you have some doubt still not solved regarding Guru, Vaishnava, Bhagavan, Dham, Nam, that problem is not solved. Then you will have to take birth again. You can take risks to take birth again. So, Bhagavan speaking, Sangsayaho srinnato vacham tava yogeswariswaraha no nivartato atmasta jeno brahmati me manaha. After hearing all your advice, now I am in big problem. I cannot come out in the conclusion. Please try to help me. Because so many advisors, finally you said, leave everything. Only if I... Yes. Bhagavan said, well, Uddhav, don't express any doubt. You are thinking about Ved Vedanta. Where from you got Ved Vedanta? You are thinking about Ved Vedanta, na? Where from you got Ved Vedanta? Veda, Vedanta, I appeared there in the heart of Brahma. Then and only then Brahma remembered Veda and went on speaking. 4 head. Rik, Sam, Joju, Atharva. How? Veda was in suppressed form, hidden form, in the form of seed. Finally, it appeared and finally, whenever Brahma started speaking, it came in the form of Bhakya, sound. But before that, before coming in this position, it was in suppressed form. But it was already there. Nobody knew. Follow. Bhagavan speaking, Vedas all appeared. Shastra, all Shastra. Transcendental sound vibration all came out from me. Vedasya sarvairahame vedya. Vedanta kid, Veda vid Vedanta. Veda videva cha aham. Vedasya sarvairahame vidya. If after reading all Vedas, if after going through all Vedas, if you cannot realize me, if you don't realize me, then your reading Vedas is useless. Useless. You gone through Vedas, you took trouble, but you took trouble to you took trouble to recite it, but what happens? Vedasya sarvairahame vidya Vedanta vid Veda videvo chaham. I am the knower of Veda. I am the support of Veda. Veda itself, I am myself. That's what I can. Bhagavan now going to speak how Aprakita Samdha Brahma came arising gradually. Gradually how it developed. Bhagavan speaking. Bhagavan. Actually, Bhagavan speaking, everything going on by my power. Even you are breathing now. Your breathing is also going by the power of Bhagavan. The moment Bhagavan can withdraw his power, and fall down. So Gaudiya devotees, they never deserve, I am doing everything. Never deserve. So, all and everything, each and everything, all over the world, wherever, whatever going on, all directly or indirectly, all going on by the power of the Supreme Lord. Jiva Goswami Pad already wrote in Sanskrit Vyakaran, grammar, Sanskrit grammar, a special grammar, Harinamamrita Vyakaran, he wrote. There each and every formula he is speaking, writing in such a way, at the same time you can know the rules of Vyakaran, you can know the rules of Vyakaran, at the same time you need not waste your time by reading Vyakaran. Because there is the Harinam. All Jiva Goswami are writing the Vyakaran in such a way, it is not like Panini Vyakaran. Panini Vyakaran, you can read. But Jiva Goswami writing Vyakaran in such a way, so that so that you can read Vyakaran, at the same time you need not waste your time, you can utter the name of Bhagavan. He is writing Vyakaran in such a way, you are reading Vyakaran, because reading Vyakaran is wastage of time. You have to give big energy, remember everything, or rules and regulation, because Sanskrit Vyakaran is not like English. English within 6 months you can. But Sanskrit Vyakaran I have seen 15 years, 20 years. You have to memorize everything, apply. So, Sanskrit Vyakaran is complicated. If you go on learning, it will take a long time. So devotees, they like to do serve Bhagavan. They don't like to waste time. So Jiva Goswami thought, okay, by the desire of Bhagavan, he wrote Sanskrit Vyakaran in such a way, so that Vyakaran, somebody can go on reading. At the same time, he need not waste his time by reading the formula, dry formula. All formula oriented with Bhagavan. Follow. Vishnu, Sarveshwar, Govinda, Vasudev, all different formula, writing in such a unique way, so that one formula I memorize, then I can remember. Bhagavan is there. All name is Bhagavan. And in the beginning of that, in the beginning, in the way of writing Vyakaran, Jiva Goswami Pad already wrote in the beginning, Narayana udbito ayam varna kramaha. Narayana udbito ayam varna kramaha. The varna kramaha, a, o, ka, kha, Bengali, you are learning now. All coming from Narayan, Jiva Goswami speaking. All language coming indirectly, not ABCD. It was, somebody can say, why ABCD? Indirectly everything coming, but not directly. Narayana udbhuto ayam varnakramaha. This varnakram, all coming from Narayan. So, each and every action, your breathing, your looking, your hearing, your talking, all going on by the power of Bhagavan. Same question Hiranyakasipu wanted to put in front of Prahlad Maharaj. Hey, by whose power? By whose power you are speaking this way? The power which is active inside you, inside me, inside you. Hey, don't speak like this. Because Hiranyakasipu is less interested to hear the name of Bhagavan. Where from you are getting power to talk this way in front of me, whereas the whole world shaking in my name? Heaven, hell, anywhere. All Hiranyakasipu, then everybody is saying, oh, Hiranyakasipu. But where from you get this power? Ballava. Same power. What is active inside you? Same power active inside me, everybody. He don't like to hear. Don't speak like this. This way, Hiranyakasipu going to. But it's true. Everything going on by the power of Bhagavan. So, Bhagavan speaking, Sa eso jivo pravaro prasuti pranena ghoshena guham pravishtaha manomayam suksham upetta rupam matra saruvarno iti sthabishtaha. Bhagavan speaking, you see, Uddhav, Bhagavan speaking, I am going to take shelter unto a lotus feet of that Paramatma. I am sitting inside the heart of everybody is Paramatma. That Paramatma, due to that Paramatma is there, that is why inside everybody. That's why leading this life, you find effective. So, Bhagavan speaking, that Paramatma, unto his lotus feet, I already advised you to take shelter. He is there, Jeev Rupe, Devada. He is in the form of Jiva. Because somebody can say, Jiva is Bhagavan. Oh, don't understand. Jiva is Bhagavan. Bhagavan speaking in the form of Jiva. Oh, you don't understand. Because in Vedanta, I repeatedly discussed before also, Shakti, Mattur, Abhet. Shaktiman, the man, the Shaktiman, Bhagavan, is non-different from his energy. Hollow. Bhagavan is non-different from his energy. But that energy basically divided into three parts. Chit Shakti, Jip Shakti or Maya Shakti, you heard anytime. Very plain Siddhanta. Chit Shakti, Jip Shakti or Maya Shakti. Chit Shakti means all transcendental world, its position, whatever, whoever, they are all governed or run by the Chit Shakti. Or built up also, itself Chit Shakti. And another Shakti, Jip Shakti, by the help of which he is maintaining the infinity universe, material universe. Even Sun God, who is Sun God? In the form of Paramatma, Bhagavan is there inside his heart also. We respect him, okay? He's one kind of vibhuti of Bhagavan, that's not big problem. We can honor. But we should remember, Paramatma of that Sun God is Bhagavan. Moon God, Indra, all Paramatma. If Bhagavan, Paramatma is not there, what they can do? Because in Upanishad, we already heard many times. In Upanishad, it is written that two birds are living in a same tree, in the branches of a tree. One is Paramatma, another is Jivatma. I mean, if you compare your body with one tree, in this tree, two birds living, but you have no information. You have no information. You are playing, eating, sleeping, everything. No idea, two birds sleep inside you. One is Paramatma watching you, what you are doing, and Jivatma. But the basic difference between these two birds, one is eating the fruits of this tree, body tree, going to yield good and bad, result, pain and pleasure, or result giving, and Jivatma enjoying or suffering, whereas Paramatma not suffering. Paramatma not eating any fruits. Paramatma not eating any fruits, while two birds living in the same tree in the branches. One is watching, Paramatma is watching what you are doing, and Jivatma forget, his friend is there, he is eating the fruits of this flower, tree, good and bad, pain and pleasure, whatever. So, the basic difference is that Paramatma not going to accept anything, only watching as the witness, whatever you are doing, witness. Suppose somebody going to murder, kill someone. But he is not caught by police. Somehow he escaped. One case was there in Suryakundo, where I was. One murderer in the form of sadhu traveling. Police could not catch him. But anyway, you cannot escape. You cannot escape because Paramatma is there watching. Cannot escape. You can say, inside room I have done whatever I like to do, I can do. Who is going to watch me? But you don't know watching. All recorded. That computer. You're doing some job, save. Doing some job, tuck, save. You all saved inside you. You yourself recorded. You need not depend upon anybody. Already recorded and there. Whatever you have done up to now. Or what you are supposed to do in future. So Bhagavan speaking, I myself, in the form of Jivatma, you, in the form of Jivatma? Yes. What do you mean by Jivatma? What do you mean by Jivatma? Jivatma mean Jiv Sakti, Tatastha Sakti. The Sakti, where from coming? From Bhagavan. The Sakti Matorabha, Bhagavan can say. No problem in it. Bhagavan can say, na? Because Sakti Matorabha. Shaktiman and Sakti not different there. So if Bhagavan at all speaking, so what problem in it? That doesn't mean one Jivatma is one Ishwar. There's the market of Ishwar, we can go and buy. Not that. There's a meaning, inner meaning. So Bhagavan speaking, Sa esha jivo pravaro prasutihi, Sa esha jivo pravaro prasutihi, pranena ghoshena guham pravishtaha manomayam suksham upetta rupam matra saru varno iti stavishtaha. Bhagavan speaking, I myself in the form of jivas coming and I divide, because prana vayu, I divide into 6 chakra. 6 chakra there. 6 chakra. Right from here. From here, the joint here, where your backbone started. From there, one by one chakra, Anahata chakra, all chakra finally going Vishuddha chakra. How Bhagavan going to manifest himself in all different chakras, I can discuss tomorrow. Today time cannot permit. So, what the sloka started with? Aradhito jadi Bhagavan tapasas tataskim, naradhito jadi Bhagavan tapasas tataskim, nantar bahir jadi Bhagavan tapasas tataskim, antar bahir jadi tapasas tataskim, vancha kalpaturusya kipasin, patitanam bhavanabho. Now, very complicated discussion. You will have to keep patience. Otherwise you cannot make any head.